A lot of people say you can work in India as foreigner, which is not true. And in this video here, I will give you all the detail and make you guys understand in the better way. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe. Peace out.
Welcome to Ismonakes, the French boy.
Namaste everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's your friend boy Ismonakes again. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video here, I will give you all the detail that allow foreigner to work in India or don't allow them to work in India, because I heard a lot of people asking me, India is good, you say India is good, but like foreigner cannot work there. What is the point now to come to India? And like a lot of people lying to people, which is not true, because you have to specify your point. Which type of foreigner cannot work in India? First of all, I'll give people who are allowed to work in India. To work in India as foreigner, you have first of all to have a work visa. A work visa. You cannot do something in India here as job without a work visa. There is a lot of foreigner that I'm seeing in India here, and I already talked to them, and I already saw that working in India here freely, they don't have any problem. Excuse me, they don't have any problem, and everything is fine for them here. They're working fine. There is no restriction for them. Everything is fine. They're working as every normal person. So those are the people who are allowed to work. You have to have a work visa. As every country who got like immigration, or like every great country, to allow to work there, you have to have like a work visa. I don't know for other country, but like in India, you have to have a work visa. You should not come here with any other visa to work in India here. Otherwise, you will get in trouble. You might get deported. You might get a ban in India. You might get into trouble in India here. So those are the first people who are allowed to work in India only. The other parts now, people say no, like, you know, student going to India, it's not possible to work there. Like, you have to send money and all. Before you come to India here at the embassy, they tell you everything, and there is every information at the embassy there. As student, if you come in here as student, you are not allowed to do a job in India here. If you come here as a student, you can do whatever you want to do, but you cannot do something to earn money in India here. So before you come to India, people will tell you at the embassy, no, you have to show your financial proof. Like, if you can, sustain yourself in India here financially, you have to show all this one here. Or if you come in with scholarship that take everything in charge, like, all the accommodation, the food, and the pocket money, or else they won't give you the visa. So if you manage all and you lie to them, you do everything, and they give you the visa, and you reach here and you try to cheat, problem. Because if you get caught, you will be in trouble, because you are not allowed to work. Even when we reach in here, like as a student, I'm talking about as a student, if you come here, you have to register at the police station to get your residential proof, your residential permit. That's that paper that allow you to reside in India. In this paper here, they say job not allowed. Job not allowed. I don't want to show my FRRO certificate here, because you have to hide your information and all. But they put it there. Work not allowed, job not allowed. You are not allowed to work. So if you read all this one here and you let all this one and you go to work, if you get caught, it's either you will be in trouble or the person who hire you will be in trouble. There is no such I know I will work in a restaurant, or I will work somewhere like to get side job. No, it's not Europe, it's not America, it's not Australia or whatever. No, in India it's not allowed. Maybe you can get a side job that's like people don't know that, like, it's not recognized. For example, someone who making breads locally, you can go help him, and maybe you get something. Or you take a student for tuition, It's supposed to be a job that is not recognized. But if you work like, you know, in a company or something, even though you have the skill, you have everything, but you cannot work in a company, or you cannot work to earn officially your money in India here, it's not allowed. Or you can do like an online thing like YouTube or Facebook or maybe Instagram to be an influencer. You can do all this one here, but you cannot get a job, a proper job. The other one also is tourist visa. This is more dangerous. You're supposed to be careful with tourist visa. As I say always, because of those tourist visa, Mr. Kalrock got blacklisted in India here because of that, because he was doing certain activities that a tourist not allowed to do in India here. They give you a visa, like a tourist visa, to come and visit. I think like tourist visa is basically to come and visit the country, not to come to stay, not to come to do something. It's just to come to visit as a visitor, or like as a tourist. You come to explore India, because India have a lot of things to offer, to explore and all. But if they give you the tourist visa, and you come to India and you want to, you know, you want to do something else with the visa, man, it's not allowed. You might get deported, or you might get banned to India. You might get blacklisted. They will put your name somewhere there, and you will never be allowed in India again. So for people who said no, you cannot work in India, like India is not, it's not easy, blah blah blah, you have to understand before you come to India, before you go to any other country, you have to understand what's going on there, and you have to learn, because there is a lot of people I see in there. They're working, they're teaching people, they are teachers, like they're getting their job, they're paying taxes, everything. That's allowed. There's a lot of foreigners who work in India here without any problem. But those two type, like how can I call it, students and this thing, tourist visa, or I don't know, tourist visa or visitors and blah blah blah, like all those things here that you have to spend like a certain amount of time in India here, you are not allowed to work. If you want to work in India, get a work visa and come and work legally without any problem. They will never tell you, no, why are you working here, while you have a work visa. But if you have any other visa, your visa can get cancelled and you'll be in trouble. So better be away when you have those type of visa. That was my answer for those who say you cannot work in India. Those are the reason. Thank you to watch that video. I hope you guys learned something for this video here. Don't forget to like this video here, share and subscribe if you are a new visitor, or if you are a returning subscriber. Thanks to be here. If you're not a returning subscriber, thanks to subscribe to this channel, and see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Peace out.
Welcome to Ismonakes, the French boy.